All right, so welcome everyone, and to my consistent viewers, I want to say thank you for always watching my videos and following me. You are doing a wonderful job. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing, thank you for liking my videos. So, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to make or produce a hair shampoo. We'll be using a very different method entirely. So just watch this video, follow the steps, follow the measurements. If you want to produce a good hair shampoo at home, it's very easy, it's not hard. There is actually zero difficulty in this method. So if you want to actually come up with a very good shampoo, this video is for you. Then also, I organize online classes. So if you want to join the class, you can do well by checking the description of this video. You will find the link. You click on it to take you to WhatsApp, or you contact me by the number that I will be displaying on the screen of this video. You reach me through that number. If reaching me through the link is difficult, you can reach me through the number I will be displaying on this video screen. You just reach me there on WhatsApp. Please let it be WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp me with that number if you wish to join the training group. That's the number there. It's a Nigerian number. It starts with +234. So if you wish to join the training group, you do well by reaching me on WhatsApp through that number. If joining the link is difficult for you, you reach me on WhatsApp. Then also, my ebook has been revised. It is now improved. It's very educative now. We have added a lot of things to the ebook. I have actually made it easier for those that want to purchase NAFDAC registration number. I have given them the guidelines on how to do it in the ebook. Then I've also highlighted where NAFDAC office is located in every state in Nigeria in the ebook, so that I have written it with their addresses, just in case you are looking for where NAFDAC office is in your state. So just in case you are searching for a NAFDAC office in your state, you will get those locations in the ebook. I have written all the NAFDAC addresses in the ebook, and also in the ebook I have also written the requirement NAFDAC needs before you can get a NAFDAC registration number. Then in the ebook too, you will find a place where you can locate addresses on where chemicals are sold in different states in Nigeria. So those are the three benefits you get from the ebook outside the skincare formulation, because in the ebook you will learn how to formulate things like the laundry bar soap, the liquid soap, the shampoo, the bleach, the Dettol. There's a lot of things you learn from the ebook. The body cream, air freshener, lot of things you are actually going to benefit from that ebook. They have recipes, just in case you are looking for recipes. They are in the ebook, so you will learn a lot from the ebook. It's very rich. You will locate your NAFDAC office in your residence. You will also know the requirement NAFDAC needs before they can give you a NAFDAC number. Then also you will find addresses on where to purchase chemical in your state. It's all embedded in the ebook. And then you will learn how to formulate things like liquid soap, the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the air freshener, the Dettol. There's a lot of things you learn, the bleach, powder detergent. A lot you purchase, you benefit from that ebook. So do well by purchasing yours. It's actually very affordable.